Tired of cluttering your kitchen with too many gadgets? Say hello to the Sonifer 3-in-1 blender, juicer and meat grinder, model SF8062, the all-in-one powerhouse your kitchen's been waiting for. With a sleek stainless steel body and 3 dynamic functions, this machine blends, grinds, and juices with ease. The 1.5L juicer, 1.1L mincer, and 0.5 kilograms grinder cup give you versatility for every meal. It runs on a powerful 400-watt motor at a blazing 35,000 RPM, crushing ice and slicing meat like butter. Plus, it's got turbo mode, pulse function, and it's even dishwasher safe, ready to transform your kitchen experience. Click the link below to grab yours today, while supplies last.